Fuel ethers are an effective way to reduce the impact transport has on our environment. When fuel ethers are used to formulate petrol, they improve the quality of the air we breathe by drastically reducing toxic emissions. Fuel ethers are also great for car owners, as their use in petrol protects the engine while boosting its performance and improving fuel efficiency when compared to alternatives. Fuel ethers can do all this and more, while meeting the highest regulatory standards across the globe. Petrol, also known as gasoline, consists of many different hydrocarbons, which are refined from crude oil and blended with other elements to form the fuel used in our vehicles. Each of these elements brings different qualities to the fuel. If you change one petrol component, it alters the fuel properties of the final petrol blend, which affects overall combustion, emissions and performance. So what are fuel ethers? Fuel ethers such as MTBE, ETBE, TAME and TAEE are efficient blending components of petrol. Fuel ethers can be bio-based. Fuel ethers can be produced through a variety of methods, including from traditional petrochemical sources, natural gas derivations and renewable sources. Fuel ethers raise both the octane and oxygen levels of petrol. Higher oxygen levels fuel ethers provide mean that all petrol is burned within the engine rather than expelled through its exhaust system into the air we breathe. This means fuel ethers are great for air quality. In fact, when compared to non-oxygenate blends, they reduce emissions of carbon monoxide by 14%, toxics by 23%, particulate matter by 1%, benzene by 37%. Fuel ethers are efficient. In comparison to their alternatives, fuel ethers can increase travel distance on the same tank of petrol by up to 15%. At the same time, because they raise octane levels in petrol, fuel ethers help protect the engine against the so-called knocking effect, an unwanted, premature fuel ignition that reduces combustion efficiency and damages the engine. Fuel ethers do not require changes to our existing vehicles and petrol distribution infrastructure. They can be transported via CO2-efficient means of transport such as pipelines and large vessels. Their ability to reduce emissions and improve air and petrol quality, as well as their compatibility with existing infrastructure and vehicles, means fuel ethers can help ensure we have the cleanest, most efficient combustion engine systems possible.